Hello doctors. Today we will be seeing the most important topic from SPM, that is vaccination, and in vaccination today we will be going to deal with contraindications and regarding different type of strains. Okay. So the first contraindication is contraindication in pregnancy and immunodeficiency. What type of vaccination will be contraindicating? The answer is live vaccine. So in case of immunodeficiency and pregnancy, we have to avoid live vaccine. So be clear. Vaccine contraindicated in asymptomatic and symptomatic HIV. I had already told in case of immunodeficiency, we have to stop giving the live vaccine. So in case of HIV, what we can do? We have to stop all the live vaccine except measles. So you can remember that in case of asymptomatic and symptomatic HIV, we can give only measles live vaccine. Okay, other live vaccines are contraindicated. This question is little bit tricky. Just try to remember. They may ask the question in positive sense so that you may get confused. And vaccination after administration of immunoglobulin is contraindicated for. Okay, you had given the immunoglobulin, and how long after that we can give the vaccination? That is the question. So the time period would be at least 3 months. Then vaccinations contraindicated in acute respiratory tract infection or diarrhea is nothing. There is no need to think much regarding this conditions. So vaccines contraindicated in progressive neurological diseases. What it could be? The vaccine is pertussis. Just remember it as PP. Then still now we had talked a lot regarding the live vaccine, and this is about killed vaccine. Killed vaccine is contraindicated only if there is any significant dose toxigenic reaction in the previous dose. Hay fever, sickle cell anemia and TB are relative contraindications sometimes, not every time. So that is why it is relative. Then egg allergy is a contraindication to immunization with influenza or yellow fever vaccine. Vaccine contraindicated in preterm to premature baby with birth weight less than 2 kg, then we should not give hepatitis B. Vaccines contraindicated in age less than 1 year, that is in case of infants, we should not give yellow fever vaccine, meningococcal vaccine, pneumococcal vaccine and then typhoid vaccine. Okay, these 4 vaccines you have to remember clearly, that is yellow fever, meningococcal, pneumococcal and typhoid vaccine. So vaccine contraindicated in age more than 2 years. It is pertussis vaccine only, and it may lead to neurological complication in the ratio 1 per 1,70,000 vaccines. General rules for multiple vaccine administration. So 2 live vaccines can be given together. Then live and killed vaccines can be given together. Multiple vaccines can be given together. Only cholera vaccine and yellow fever vaccine cannot be given together. OPV is a live vaccine where single dose is not sufficient for immunization. Okay. So now we will be seeing regarding the strains commonly used in vaccines. So BCG, it is Danish 1331 strain, and you can remember it as the Dhanush is having BCG vaccine. Then OPV or IPV P1, P2, P3 strain. So in case of polio, there are three types of viruses, that is P1, P2, P3. P1 is contributing for the most common organism causing the epidemics also, and P3 is associated with vaccine associated polio. So with the help of that different types of viruses, you can remember this strain also, that is P1, P2, P3 strain. Then comes measles. In case of measles, it is little bit difficult to remember. Just remember it as measles monster. So Edmonton, Zagreb strain, Swat strain and Moraton strain. in case of mumps, it is Gerillin strain. So, in case of mumps, what will be happening? There will be some swelling in the neck. It can be looking like a mouse. So, if it is mouse, we have to go for Jerry only. Then, rubella, that is RA27 by 3, and yellow fever 17D strain. Varicella, it is OKA strain. Then Japanese encephalitis, it is Nakayama strain. Beijing P3 strain RSA 14142. This SA 14142 is commonly used in India. Swine flu, it is A7 California 2009, and malaria, it is SPF 66 strain, that is light tick cocktail, and PF 25 strain. So just try to remember it again and again. These things are more and more important. Surely we will be getting at least one question from vaccination. Thank you so much.